Hello everybody. Today Twee and I are trying out the Canik with the brand new super duper recoil spring. Let's see if it'll run. Before we wasn't getting a full magazine.
TTI.
Yep, the TTI Canik. Awesome. All right.
Awesome.
So we just finished a full magazine on the TTI Combat Canik for the first time. So evidently the spring has made a difference. We had no light primer strikes, and that's recoil spring. So thanks for dropping by, and we're going to shoot this thing a bunch more rounds, and if anything changes, we'll let you know. Have a great day.